Look at him down there, lazy git.
No, you're supposed to introduce this time. I'm not supposed to be here.
You sure you are here? Now up.
Fine. Right. Hello. Welcome to episode 6. Only because you can be bothered to try and count. This episode came out on Monday. I'm keeping track. Or not. Or Friday. No, this episode came out on Monday, or you've never seen this episode unless we've somehow released this episode.
Right, anyway, enough of that. Moving on to what we're actually going to do this time, shall we?
Sweet nothing. Look, this is what we're doing today. We're showing you how to use... Come on! Come on!
So you're not doing it again.
There you go.
There you go.
Today we're showing you how to use some wires and a breadboard connected to your Arduino to do absolutely nothing.
No, it's not. He's lying.
No, I'm not.
You are. We've got this little module. It doesn't shut very well, but hey, there you go. There you go. Now basically it's a little infrared beam that shoots between the two units at the end, and basically acts as a beam break.
You break its leg.
No, you break the beam. Now on this I will say there was something that I did come across, and that was someone decided to tell me, go, oh yeah, what you do, right, you got pins on the back, and one of them you don't use ever. It's called A0. Right, now the pins on the back. Now I'm going to see if I can get it to focus up onto it. It'd be very hard, but it might.
There you go.
There you go. So you've got VCC, ground, D0, A0. Now, what this everyone online was saying is, don't ever use A0. It is the most useless pile of rubbish going. Well, I spent hours and hours, and I'm going to wire this up live on the show. Now, I spent hours going over this, trying to work out why it didn't work properly. When I decided to ignore them, what everyone's been saying, and use A0 instead of D0, all of a sudden it kicked in and went lovely. Now, just got a old keypad here, which you've never used.
Yeah.
But
we're never going to use it.
It's not really.
It's not an Arduino module.
There's nothing to do. Really.
It's not an Arduino module in any way, shape or form.
Well, technically it was, but it's not. I mean, I've got this for something completely different.
Yeah.
I need, and I've just forgotten what it was, so I haven't used it.
Yeah.
It's a keypad entry for the lab, probably.
Yes.
But anyway, so if you look on the board, you got, and I don't show it very well, but you have got a red LED, which is the power, and a green LED, which is the actual bit. Now, if I put this, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on camera, I'll put this between the two, the green goes out. So it's sensing. Now, at the moment, the Arduino is set up for blink, standard blink, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hence, the LED just keeps blinking.
So, to the code. The code is our longest code so far this year.
Well, actually, this is one I did want to get to. This is actually quite an impressive bit of code.
It does nothing.
No,
nothing.
if you look within the loop, which is a bit that it does all the time, yes?
Yeah.
Is one line of code.
Yeah.
Attach interrupt, naught, because I'm using interrupt naught, which is tells you which pin to use. On this, the Uno, which is it's not an actual Uno, this it's an Uno compatible.
Yeah.
Pins 2 and 3 are interrupts, 0 and 1.
Yes.
On others, you can interrupt more pins.
Yeah.
Basically, interrupt is it will sit there doing nothing, wait for something to happen, then it will jump. And then, so if you look, I've actually got a separate routine called beam break, which is where it goes. Is the actual interrupt. When the interrupt's called, jumps into that routine, turns off interrupts that can't be interrupted again,
Yeah.
and then prints out beam broken,
Yeah. And then jumps back to the loop.
and then jumps back to the loop, which then turns the interrupt back on.
If a certain condition is met.
I mean, what you could do with this is if you had a wheel with a certain number of holes that you could spin it really fast
Yeah.
and count the pulses.
Yeah.
So you could use it to work out your RPM.
Yeah, do you know what it says? Too slow.
So,
No
it's a
turbo.
very simple bit of code, this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very
So,
simple.
I'm not even going to do anything. I'm just going to upload the code. That's all I'm going to
Go
do.
for it.
Upload. And then I'm going to go to sleep. Because there was nothing for me to do this episode. It was pointless. Oh, wait a minute. Let me open the serial monitor.
Yeah, you open the serial monitor, chuck the serial monitor up there. Do you want to enlarge it to your screen so people can see it properly?
Fine.
There you go. And then if all
Please.
goes well,
Out on the hole.
right now, if all works well, when I break the beam, now,
Beam broken, beam broken, beam broken, beam broken. Yeah, you broke it 4 times. 3 times. 1 time.
right? So it's not
I
brilliant.
think it's because you held it in there, maybe.
It depends how you do it and how fast you break the beam.
And if you wiggle side to side when you're
Yeah.
inside, it just takes multiple.
So you can do it, and the reflective surface can have an effect and stuff. So,
Yeah, so there's one.
but it works. You see, it does what it does. But now, if I move this over to the D knot, and then if you have a look, do you want to clear the com out?
You're not allowed to use commands on Linux.
No, but you can come out and redo it. And then when I break, now this might work, might not.
Beam broken, beam
But
broken, beam broken.
Do you notice it's more inconsistent?
Yeah.
I found it a bit more consistent on A0 than D0.
Oh, you're the thing you're not supposed to use, you bad boy. Right.
Yeah.
Well, I'm getting tired. It's like
I don't know what they.
6:46.
Yeah, I don't know what they. A and D0 bits into the infamous pot.
Yeah, we are recording everything on Tuesday. Well, the first day that episode 4 came out, and we've been recording for about 50 minutes.
Yeah.
And we still have another one to do.
Yeah. So let's go.
Let's
and
just
get
go.
on.
Yeah. Adios.
Bye.